In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. If you have a Wix website and you want to grow your email list with Mailchimp, this integration helps you connect the two platforms so your contacts and information stay in sync. You will set it up using the Wix app market, then authorize your Mailchimp account, and finally choose which contact lists and data fields you want to map. First, go to the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, look at the top of the screen and click your site, then open the dashboard. From there, navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control area where you can manage apps for your site, so you can find the integration options. Take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct site dashboard, since the apps you add will be tied to that specific site. Next, once you are in the dashboard, navigate to the Wix app market. The app market is where Wix hosts add-ons for things like forms, marketing tools, and email integrations. Finding the right app from here is the key step, because Mailchimp is provided as an available application within Wix. On screen, you may see a search or browsing area. Use that to locate Mailchimp. Now search for Mailchimp in the Wix app market. Type the word Mailchimp into the search field, then review the results. When you find the Mailchimp app, click Add to Site. This action begins the installation process, and it usually brings up a prompt to connect your accounts. Watch the screen for any loading or authorization messages, because those will guide you to the next step. After you click Add to Site, you will be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account to authorize the connection. When the login window appears, enter your Mailchimp credentials and complete the sign-in process. The important part is to allow the connection when prompted. This authorization step lets Wix access the Mailchimp account features needed for syncing contacts. If you see permissions or approval text, review it carefully and proceed so the integration can be completed. Once the connection is authorized, you will be taken to configuration options. Now configure your sync settings by selecting the contact lists and data to map. This is where you decide exactly where new contacts will be stored in Mailchimp and which pieces of information should transfer from Wix to Mailchimp. Look for the option to choose contact lists first, then follow the mapping area for fields. If you have different forms or information on your Wix site, mapping ensures the data lands in the correct Mailchimp fields. Take a moment here because choosing the right list and data mapping determines how clean your contact records will be. For example, you want names to map to name fields and email addresses to the email field, so Mailchimp receives everything correctly. If you are unsure, focus on matching common data categories shown in the mapping interface and ensure the data corresponds to the contact details you expect to collect on your site. Finally, once you are satisfied with your sync settings, click Sync Now to finalize the integration. This button triggers an immediate synchronization based on the options you selected. On screen, you may see a status message while syncing completes. Wait for the process to finish and confirm that the integration shows as connected or successfully set up. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. From opening your Wix dashboard and installing the Mailchimp app, to authorizing the connection, setting your sync rules, and starting the sync.